How to fix focus blurry issues on iPhone camera after iOS 26. So here is the step-by-step guide on how to do so. Many users report that the camera won't focus, keeps hunting, or becomes blurry after the iOS 26 update. First of all you have to do is clean the camera lens, which is the most common fix. So even a tiny smudge causes the camera to refuse focusing. So use a microfiber cloth, clean all lenses, including the LiDAR area if you have Pro models. Once you do so, all you have to do is simply force close the camera app, swipe up and hold on the app switcher from the bottom of the screen. Then swipe up on camera and open the camera again. This resets the camera session. Now simply check that if it is focused or not. After you do so, all you have to do is go back to the home screen and look for the settings app available there. Now scroll down and tap on the camera option available there. And all you have to do is toggle the macro mode option available. Turn off the macro control and simply turn on the macro control again and manually disable it in the camera app. Go back and tap on the general and tap on the transfer reset iPhone, then tap on the reset and reset all settings. This is the most safe and effective. This often fixes iOS camera glitches. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.